Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. In last class we learned techniques of integration in which the first technique is substitution method, maybe you remember. So 4 different substitution method problems we solved. So today we are going to continue the problem part of the techniques of integration. So last class we solved already 10 problems. I gave some problem for homework, maybe you completed that. Okay, after seeing this video, previous video, you work out those homework problem and send that answer to me, remember that. Okay. Yeah, so today's first question is 11th one, because up to 10 problem we solved in last class, and here question is always evaluate. You will not get any other different question, always you are getting evaluate. Okay, so the next question is integration of e power tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square. See, here very easy to decide the technique because we just completed one technique, that is substitution method. So no, there's no other options, so you should go for the substitution. Now can you tell me for which function you should substitute? Suppose if you substitute 1 plus x square, after differentiation are you able to get tan inverse of x? Definitely no. So you should substitute tan inverse of x is equal to t. Remember that. Why? See, if you substitute for 1 plus x square, you will not get 1 by 1. You will not get 1 by 1 plus x square. Or even if you substitute e power tan inverse of x, then problem will be more. So better is tan inverse of x. Differentiate with respect to x. In baratele 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Right? Now replace these two in the given problem. So the given problem is now e power t, because tan inverse of x equal to t, 1 dx by 1 plus x square is dt. So it is just e power t into dt. That's it. Only the whole complicated expression is converted into a simple expression e power t. And what is the integration of e power t? Yeah, you know that it is e power t plus c. That is e power t andre no tan inverse of x plus c. That's it. Don't forget to write the final answer in terms of x. Remember that. One simple question using substitution method. Got it? Yes. So next question. Question number 12. Integration of e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1. Yeah, this is an important question and little difficult compared to the first one. So you need some rearrangement. See this, you can rearrange like this. First you bring always the denominator term in numerator. This is the one trick you should remember. In integration, you have to bring the denominator term in numerator, doing some by adjusting the numerator or adding, subtracting, multiplication, division, anything you can use it, but adjust it. Here if I write like this, how much I should subtract? Yeah, 2, because here we have minus 1, I added 1, and so minus 2. Now divide into 2 parts. This will be equal to e power 2x by e power 2x plus 1 by e power 2x andre no 1 agate, minus 2 into 1 by e power 2x plus 1 dx. So this is nothing but x integration amil mada. Okay, so now again here you cannot integrate directly, so bring the numerator term. So add e power x, subtract e power 2x divided by e power 2x plus 1. So adding and subtracting e power 2x. So it is dx, 1 dx minus 2 into this by this, again you will get dx minus minus plus e power 2x divided by 1 plus e power 2x. Correct? So now 1 minus 2, it's minus dx plus, now observe here carefully, in this expression you can substitute always. Okay, substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ denominator substitute ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ, numerator substitute ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So 2 into e power 2x dx equal to dt, right? Now you need only e power 2x dx is equal to dt by 2. Correct? Yes. Substitute here. Numerator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by 2 into dt divided by just t. 1 plus e power 2x and substitute t ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, so this is equal to t. So now okay, this is ready to integrate. So integration of minus 1 minus x plus half into, what is integration of 1 by t? Log t. Correct? ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, log t ಬರೆಯೋತಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So final answer must be in terms of x, so it must be like this, log of mod t. T ಅಂದ್ರೇನು e power 2x plus 1 plus c. This is it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ 2 ಸಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್. Okay, here your aim is to bring denominator term in numerator so that you can simplify. Why we should solve like this? See, you cannot split this term. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸಿ ಬೈ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನೋ. ಅದೇ ಇದರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್. And why we should split? Because in integration quotient rule is not there, alva, quotient rule iralla, so you should search for an alternate method so that you can integrate. So ಈ quotient ಅನ್ನ addition ಅಂತ convert ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, so after that you know addition rule is there in integration, so you can integrate. So please remember this trick, okay? I hope you understood the second question. Yes, so I'm moving to the next one. Question is, I think, visible for you, right? So you can definitely start before I write solution in a board, okay? Which is the 13th question. E power 2x plus e power minus 2x divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Okay, I hope you are trying. The question number 13 is e power 2x plus e power minus 2x divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Compared to previous problem, this is easy. Can you tell me how to start? Yeah, first check always whether numerator is the differentiation of denominator, or if you can bring numerator after differentiating denominator, the problem will be easy. Last problem our situation earlier, you do anything, you try anything in after substitution, denominator equal to t and differentiate, simplify, you never get the numerator in the previous problem, so that procedure is required. But here it is not like that, you can observe. Okay, so start the substitution of denominator. If it not works in the beginning, nothing to worry, it will definitely, okay, works at the end. You can use it the same work at the end also, okay? Equal to t, differentiation ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ವಿದೌಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 into e power 2x, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? minus 2 into e power minus 2x whole divided by into dx. Okay, this should be minus actually. So equal to dt, correct? So minus is yeah, this should be minus actually. Now in these two terms 2 is out common, take it outside, correct? So now you are able to get the numerator, right? You are able to get the numerator. So what you thought it works, suppose it not works in the beginning, don't worry, idanna ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and or it will give you the idea how to bring some changes in numerator so that we can use a difference substitution method. Substitution ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So use this expression as well as this expression in the given problem. So numerator is 1 by 2 into dt ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, okay? Divided by t, that's it. 1 by 2 into log t, right? So that is half into log of t andreno e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c, that's it. See, simple question, but if you are not able to decide this, this cannot be solved like this easily. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್. ಸಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಡೌಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್, especially in this exercise and next exercise, without good practice you cannot identify the first step. But if you identify the first step, the remaining thing of differentiation will be simple. Remember that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So first 3 problem I hope you understood. Okay, yes, I'll moving to the next question. Again same dialogue. You, okay, question is visible to you, don't wait for me, you start working out. If you can definitely, it's not that difficult question. Is next one. Okay, so which is the next question in the board? Integration of tan square of 2x minus 3. Question number 14, integration of tan square of 2x minus 3 dx. See, you don't know that integration of tan square x as a standard function. You know this integration of secant square x. Alva, secant square x is the formula gottide, direct ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ integration of tan square x. Maybe in last class I did one problem of integration of tan square x. The technique I hope you remember, and the same technique I am using here. But before that, one technique is required of integration, that is, yeah, as usual, substitution method. So substitute 2x minus 3 is equal to t. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 2 into dx is equal to dt, right? But we want only dx, so this implies dx is equal to dt divided by 2. So substitute this in integration. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? tan square t 1 by 2 dt. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ tan square x. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? Direct ಆಗಿ integration ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Not possible. So what we should do, use trigonometry, and trigonometry formula is secant square t minus 1 into dt. So it is half into integration of secant square t dt minus 1 dt. Correct? Yes, so it is half into what integration of secant square t? It is a standard function, so it is tan t minus t plus c. And as you know, the final answer must be in terms of x, so it is equal to half into tan of t and 2x minus 3, right? Minus t again 2x minus 3 plus c, and this is the final answer. So please remember that integration of tan square x as a secant, not integration, before integration you should write tan square x as a secant square x minus 1, then you can integrate easily. So this is a one important question of the tan square of ax plus b. So then the important question, practice again. So right? Yes. Now I am giving the next question. Okay, it's simple, just like previous one, that is question number 15. It's similar to question number 14, so it will be a homework problem. I'm not going to work out. Question number 15, please note down, question number 15 will be a homework problem. Question number 15 is a homework problem, so you have to work out. So I'm moving to the next one, that is question number 16, that is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. Okay? Yeah, now whenever you have p of x by q of x, I told in the previous question, that is question number 13, what is your first work? Substitute denominator and differentiate and check whether you will get the numerator directly. If not, after doing some rearrangement. Yeah, ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, direct ಬಂದರೆ okay, finish. It's simple. If not direct, think or check whether you can bring the numerator. If you can bring the numerator, then also problem solved easily. Otherwise, we have to think about some other method. Okay? Yeah. So substitute denominator equal to t, that is 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to t. In differentiation ಬರತ್ತೆ minus 6 sin x plus 4 cos x whole multiplied by dx. I hope you know why it is like this. Yeah, you didn't get the numerator, don't worry, but can you bring it? Can you bring the numerator? Yes, you can bring the numerator by taking 2 outside. I'll write this first term, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Correct? I hope you're observing. Now you have numerator in this expression, so we need only 2 cos x minus 3 sin x alva into dx equal to dt by 2. Now use this expression as well as this expression in the given problem, you will get the answer very easily. So numerator enagutte ಹೇಳಿ 1 by 2 into dt, denominator ಏನು just t. And you know integration of 1 by t as log t, so integration is also over. But don't stop your work here, because the final answer must be in terms of x. What is t here? 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. So this will be the final answer. Artha aita? I hope you understood. Take the denominator equal to t. You may not get a numerator directly after differentiation, but don't leave the work. Don't give up. You can get the numerator after simplification. Once you get the numerator after simplification, then integration work will be simple. So I hope you understood. Very good. So you try the next one. What is the next question in the board? 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan square x. Definitely you can try. Don't wait for me to write the solution in the board. Every time first work is yours, remember that. If you wait for my explanation, yeah, you may understand that particular problem solution, but you cannot solve yourself a new problem. So please remember that. Okay, so the next question is question number 17, and the question is 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 minus tan x whole square. Can you tell me how you can manage? I hope you already started, right? You are in the thinking process, so any idea you got? Okay, it's okay, no problem. See, you rearrange this as a secant square x. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ rearrange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? See, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಲಿ tan ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಟು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ವೈ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ tan x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ x ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ tan ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. You have to identify that. Okay, yes. So once if you get this expression, the remaining task will be simple. Now I hope you got idea, right? Yeah, your idea is right. You know, substitute 1 minus tan x is equal to t. You will get 1 minus secant square x dx is equal to dt. But you need only the secant square x dx because that is only present in the numerator. So now use this sub method, okay, substitution and this substitution in the given problem. You will get minus dt divided by, you know, t square. Substitute only 1 minus tan x is equal to t. Please remember that. Don't substitute 1 minus tan x whole square. Artha aita? Yeah, this is nothing but minus t power minus 2t into dt. And what is integration of t power minus 2? Yes, t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So it is nothing but 1 by t because minus t power minus 1 ಅದು 1 by t ಬರುತ್ತೆ. minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus minus plus, so it is 1 by t. But final answer is in terms of x. What is t actually here? 1 minus tan x dx. Sorry, 1 minus 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. This will be the final answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದೆನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17, right? Yes. So I'm moving to next one. Again that question is available in a board. Please try yourself first. Try ಮಾಡಿ, ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Attempt is first, okay, very important. Because maybe in first attempt if you not get, you may get in second attempt, third attempt. Okay, once you get yourself solution to a problem in integration, that confidence level is different. Please remember that. Okay, so I'm moving to the next question. Question number 18. This is a one very important question. Important in the sense this question is asked in final exam. And like this you can solve so many different problems. Cos badlu sin irbodu, tan irbodu, cosecant, secant, cot, whatever. The method will be same. Okay. Yeah, can you tell me how to start? Yes, you are right. You know, substitute root x is equal to t. Substitute root x is equal to t. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. But we need only 1 by root x into dx is equal to 2 dt, correct? Yes, now use this and use this in the given problem. So what will happen, tell me? Yeah, it is only sin t 2 dt alva. 1 by root x dx I know 2 dt, so this is nothing but 2 times sin t dt. So that is nothing but 2 times minus cos t. What is the integration of cos sin t? Minus cos t. So final answer is minus 2 times cos of t in bandito root x plus c. That's it. Remember, either alternate in sin cos badlu sin barbodu tan cosecant secant, okay, cot, whatever. Okay, the work will be similar to this. And this is an important question because this particular problem asked in final exam for 2 marks. ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವೇನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? ಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಟ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ? cos x by root of 1 plus sin x. This is a simple question. I am not going to work out the next two problem, okay, because both are direct substitution method problem. So I am giving 2 more problem as a homework because out of 10 I already solved 7. Okay, so this will be for homework. Please note down question number 19 and 20 are the homework problem. ಈ 10 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು question homework ಬಂದಿದೆ? 15, 19 and 20. Please work out. ನಿಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you must solve these 3 problem yourself. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, I will be there, but you have to work out yourself few ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಈ 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಔಟ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 problem as a homework problem. So yeah, so I'm going to continue problem part. Okay, this is important section. This exercise correct agi artha adre next coming exercise are not difficult for you. Artha ida? Yes. Next 5 questions I will take one by one. I will not display all the 5 questions to you. Okay, in that 5 questions also you will get some homework problem that you should practice. But next questions are little different, difficult questions. Question number 21, and it is 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. ಇಂಥದ್ದು 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂತೂ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇರೋದು ಖಾಲಿ 1, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸಮ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆನಪಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ 1 by 1 plus right cot x as a cos x by sin x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? sin x plus cos x by sin x equal to dx. I mean numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ dx. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. sin x by sin x plus cos x. See, you know this trick. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. a by b plus c ನ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? b plus c by a ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೀವು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಯಾ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಡ್ cos x, subtract cos x. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೇ ತರದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಆಸ್ ಎ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ sin x, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪುನಃ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ sin x. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಡ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? sin x ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin x ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 sin x. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. sin x dx divided by sin x plus cos x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇರೋದೇನು? ಓನ್ಲಿ sin x, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 sin x. ಹೌ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ 2? yes, right, divided by 2. ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. cos x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. sin x plus sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 sin x. 2 by 2 ಏನು? just sin x by sin x plus cos x. that's it. this one and the same, these two are same. remember that. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. now observe carefully what will happen. okay, how it will work. divide ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? half sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x ಏನು? 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ? ದಿಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ 1 ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೌ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಲೇಟರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ sin x plus cos x is equal to t. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. Yeah, your work is very simple now because the numerator is you got immediate after differentiation. So this is nothing but 1 by t dt alva. Okay, if you use this, okay, if you use this here, you will get 1 by t dt. So it is nothing but 1 by 2 into x minus, here also we have 1 by 2, don't forget that, 1 by 2 into log t plus c. So that is 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into log of t ಏನಿದೆ? t ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು? yes, sin x plus cos x plus c. that's it. over. So please remember, this is one important question, very important question for 2 marks again. ಓಕೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು cot x ಅನ್ನ cos x by sin x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮರ್ತು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22. ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 1 by 1 plus cot x ಅನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ರೈಟ್ tan x as a sin x by cos x. ನಾನು ಏನು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ problem, that is a confirmation that you understood both. Even the previous question ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. 23. that is root of tan x divided by sin x into cos x. Yeah, this is also one important question, very important question. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಸಲ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ for 3 marks. A very important question, please remember. Even once this question is asked in CET also, Karnataka CET allu ee problem keliyare. So nenpirli one very important question. So what we should do here is observe carefully. Tan x ide, sin x ide, cos x ide. If you have the terms like this, definitely you cannot go for the substitution. So tan x ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? secant square x. ಅಥವಾ sin x cos x ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ sin x cos x ಇರಬೇಕು. So if you have the three terms, you cannot manage using substitution method. So first step is you have to rearrange this to have an expression where you will have only two trigonometric functions, either sin x cos x or tan x secant square x. Okay, so the first step you should remember, okay, divide cos x to multiply and divide ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. multiply and divide cos x to denominator. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೆನಪಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ cos x to denominator, only to denominator. So keep the numerator term as it is. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan x ಅಲ್ವಾ? sin x by cos x, cos x into cos x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಹಾ. Now you know this is nothing but what is root x by x? Yeah, it's right. And ಇದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? secant square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? secant square x divided by root x by x ಏನು? root x. I told if the integration expression contain only two trigonometric functions, that you can manage easily whenever, okay, other than, okay, if you have three trigonometric functions. So 3 ಇದ್ದಾಗಂತೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So 2 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So now this is ready for integration ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? Yes, right. Substitute. Tell me. Substitute tan x is equal to t, secant square x dx is equal to dt. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dt divided by root t. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನೆನಪಿದೆ? 1 by root x integrations to root x. So like that 1 by integration of root is to root t plus c. So it is 2 times t ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? tan x. That's it. Please remember, this is a very important question. Important, the reason is it is asked in final exam. So important ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು reason ಏನು? It is asked in final exam. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ particular problem, okay, important ಅಲ್ಲ. If it is suppose a problem is not asked in final exam, then that is definitely not important. Not important, just based on the questions appear in final exam or not. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ integration problem important, because each problem will teach you something. Please remember that. So I hope you understood this trick. ಈ first step ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, remaining thing it's very easy to manage. Got it? Yeah. So next question, integration of 24th is integration of 1 plus log x whole square divided by x dx. This I think I can give you as a homework problem, because simple problem, very simple problem. So you are going to work out as a homework problem. Here you are going to substitute 1 plus log x equal to t, then remaining work will be very simple. Very simple. So I am giving this question as a homework problem. So now I can move to the next section, or the next problem, and this is the last problem from this exercise. After that, okay, the techniques of integration will change. So these are the 25 problem under the heading techniques of integration. Out of that, okay, only we completed one technique, which is substitution method. So please remember, this is the last question in substitution method technique. Okay, so question is as follows: x cube sine of tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. Yeah, look like it's a very complicated function to integrate, but this is one of the easiest question again. Only you have to identify the first step. If you do that, then this problem again a simple easy question. Okay, so can you tell me what is a substitution? ಯಾವ function substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ತುಂಬಾ type ಇದೆ. Algebra ಇದೆ, trigonometry ಇದೆ, inverse trigonometry ಇದೆ, again algebra is there. So many different types of functions are there. So tell me which function you are going to substitute. Remember, always you are going to substitute a function which is inside something. X cube, is it inside anything? It's a multiplication. Is inside something? No. So tan inverse of x power 4 is inside sine. So please remember, substitute tan inverse of x to the power 4 equal to t. Please remember, you are going to substitute tan inverse of x to the power 4 equal to t. So that is 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8. Differentiation NPD alva? Here I can't teach differentiation. Please remember that. In integration, don't expect to teach differentiation. Definitely not possible. So tan inverse they know 1 by 1 plus x square. X instead of x, what we have? X to the power 4. The square is that x power 8. Then differentiate x power 4, that is 4x cube. Now you can observe here, okay, the remaining terms of the given problem is present in this differentiation. See, x cube dx by 1 plus x power 8 is present along with the dx. So your work becomes very simple now. So that this by this into this is 1 by 4 into dt, correct? Then along with that you will get sine of t. That's it. See, tan inverse of x power 4 is equal to t. So you are going to integrate only simple trigonometric function, that is sine t, and you know that integration of sine t is minus cos t plus c, that is minus 1 by 4 into cos of t in substitute madito, yeah, tan inverse of x to the power 4 plus c. So total 25 problems we solved under the heading substitution method. Okay, and this maybe on 5 problems textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದು ನೀವೇ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. and between I gave some problems also. Please work out yourself. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ರೆ you have to work out a problem which I didn't solve in the classroom. Please remember that. classroom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. For that reason I am giving more number of homework problem. If possible, after working out that homework problem, please send it to me. I'll check whether it's right or wrong. So next class I am going to take a new technique of integration. Right? Thank you.